The One Armed Bandit. The One Armed Bandit is a slot machine game. It's $2 to play, and the goal of the game is to pull the lever of the slot machine so that it lands on a desired slot. The desired slot for the players are bar 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 or 777. The player can land on different slots, resulting in different outcomes with different payouts. All possible slot matches include triple sevens, double diamonds, zero matches, and if the player is really lucky, they can land on bar bar bar. On our probability model, it shows all of the payouts in our perspective and the probability that specific outcome happens. We calculated these probabilities by finding the total circumference of the wheel that was holding all of the possible slot matches. We then found the arc length of each slot symbol that wrapped around the wheel. To find the probability, we divided the arc length by the total circumference. If there were duplicate slot row symbols, we multiplied the arc length by the number of duplicates there were and then divided that number over the total circumference. For example, the slot for double diamonds had a duplicate, so we found the arc length, which was 4.90 centimeters, and multiplied that by 2, which was 9.96 centimeters, and then divided that by the number 31.12 centimeters, which is the total circumference, and found our probability of 0.32. After finding all of the probabilities, we found our expected payout value by using the expected value formula. Our expected value was 48 cents. At the beginning of Casino Day, we started with $40 and we ended with $62, having a profit of $22. Our game was played a total of 35 times. We used this information to find our experimental earnings by minusing the amount of money that we started with the total amount at the end of the day, and then divided that by the amount of times our game was played. After doing this, we saw that our experimental earning was 62 cents. This number is higher than the expected value that we calculated. However, even though we did get a higher number than the expected value, I do not think that 35 plays is sufficient enough.
I believe that we charged a good amount to play the game so that we could make money. The game cost $2 to play, and there was a higher probability of the player losing. So if the player didn't land on a good slot, then we would either win $2.
If we could change something about the slot machine, we would try and come up with a way to fit more slot symbols so there's more of a variety. And to construct the slot machine to make each separate slot spin independently of each other so there would be more probabilities and would make the game even more random. I think that if we made these changes, we would have been able to charge a higher price with higher payouts for both the player and the house.
Forget about the price tag.